Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is go over the Lace wallet. Specifically, we're going to help guide you step by step how to make swaps. And by doing so, right now, you can make swaps for zero fees. So you will pay nothing until the mobile V2 comes out. So guys, keep that in mind. If you are going to make swaps, this is going to be a really good option for you. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. What other tutorials would you like to see here on the channel? So guys, first things first, you need to set up a Lace wallet, okay? So what you're going to do is go to lace.io. You're going to set up a non-custodial wallet, okay? So it's a Chrome extension wallet, and there will be a mobile version that will be coming out. And one of the cool things about this wallet, obviously we're going to, be showing you how to make swaps for zero fees until the V2 version comes out, the mobile. But this is going to be a very big wallet in the future because it will support Midnight. It is the premier wallet for that new privacy-focused chain. When you get into Bitcoin and Cardano, right? Interoperability. This is going to be the best wallet for that, okay? So guys, use the link tree if you guys do want to. I should have it pinned in the comment section as well as in the description of every video on this channel. So all we do is update the link tree. It will be the first link. That's for Lace. And if you need even further help, what you guys can do is go to the channel, type in Lace wallet. Okay, so this is the first step, set up the Lace wallet. And I have a step-by-step tutorial, over 3,000 views. It's helped out quite a few of you. So guys, watch those videos and get your wallet set up. Okay, so that's first step. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the wallet in the top right. So I have several different Lace wallets and I want to keep this simple. Okay, so we're not going to be doing this using a hardware wallet. We're not connecting a Trezor or a Ledger right now. You can, of course, but we have a hot wallet set up. So what we're going to do is just expand this. Okay, so we're going to expand the wallet and this is what we see. Okay, we have all this. Okay, so set up your wallet, back up your seed, and then of course send Cardano to your wallet. So if you go here to receive, you want to send to a public address. Okay, so can we zoom in? There we go. So if you want to add more Cardano, you can do it by this method, right? So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to send to either, your ADA handle or just your public address. Okay, so make sure you do that. Okay, so once that's done, then you can go to swap. But first, you may have to set collateral. So if we go here, it says missing collateral. We're going to go got it. I'm going to put in my password. All right, so we just set our collateral. Now we can interact with smart contracts. The next step that we're going to do is click over here on swap. Make sure you have enough Cardano in your wallet and you're ready to swap. So you're going to click on swap down below and you're going to select an asset. So in this case, we will select Cardano. Keep in mind, swaps are when you are swapping one asset for another. So you're selecting a token and swapping it for another token. In this case, there are partnerships like SteelSwap, and there will be other features in the future with Lace. So we will be covering that in the near future as well. Okay, so the best part is that everything is decentralized. So we're not on an online exchange. We're not using banks. Everything is remaining on our wallet, our non-custodial wallet. So we have self-custody over our assets. In my opinion, that's a big win, right? Now that we've selected what we would like to sell, let's select what we would like to receive. So we want to swap ADA and maybe get some snack, right? We want to get into the memes. It's a lot of fun. So keep in mind, nothing on this episode is financial advice. Invest at your own risk. We are going to take ADA. Let's do 20 ADA and let's get some snack. So here we can see steal swap. So 0.02. So if we go here, let's increase our slippage a little bit. So we just want to make sure the transaction goes through. And if we look at service fee, a fee charged by our DEX aggregator partner for routing, executing your trade. Okay, so you can see that right down below. So here we're going to go to proceed. And on the right side, you're going to see the cost. So we have a network fee and a service fee. So if we go here, we're going to go to proceed. And then we are going to put in our password. Let's go to confirm, all done. Boom. So now if we go to tokens, it may take a little bit of time, but we should see some SNEC in here in just a minute. So let's wait and see here. Now we're going to hit it with a quick refresh, and we can now see SNEC in our wallet. So if we click here, we can see the information, token detail. So that's awesome. That's awesome. So guys, let me know down below. Have you tried this? Is this something you were going to use? Me personally, I'm going to use this, especially for those night tokens. I think that'll be a lot of fun to get into. So in fact, let's take a look here. If we go Cardano and go night, let's see if this is simple. So say we wanted to get 15 ADA worth of night, 96. So let's go to proceed. So slippage 0.5%, that's not bad. And again, guys, this is for the tutorial. Typically I would do more, but I want to help you guys out. So here we will go to proceed, and we just swapped ADA for some night. So if we look here, we've got 166 night. We should add another 90 approximately. I believe that's what it was. So we should be around 250 night. So we'll see how long this takes. That was pretty quick for the SNEC transaction, so I was happy with that. But yeah, it's that simple. And the coolest part about this is you don't have to connect to a DEX. You can just go to your Lace wallet and go to the swap feature, and you can do it right there. So it makes it very simple. And in terms of security and everything is decentralized. So yeah, that's fantastic there. So guys, hit up the link tree. Set up your Lace, and guys, pick up a hardware wallet, protect your crypto, do all those good things. I also have a free Cardano mini course where I highlight the Lace wallet. So in there, it's absolutely free, comes with the course workbook, and we show you step by step how to set up a Lace wallet. But anyways, guys, the moose is loose. That's how you make some swaps, and let me know if you are doing the same thing. So we'll see you in the next one, guys.